Hey folks, Mike Johnson here. If it's got wheels and an engine, you're in the right place. On this channel, we dive into car repairs, maintenance tips, and everything you need to keep your ride running smooth. If you're into cars and want to keep learning, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. All right, enough talking. Let's get into it.
The fuel level sensor measures the amount of fuel in the fuel tank and sends its readings to the instrument panel and engine computer. While most sensors are standalone units, some models are integrated into the fuel pump. In the case of the latter, a faulty sensor will force the replacement of the entire fuel pump. If the engine control module, ECM, or powertrain control module, PCM, notices an error in the signal sent by the fuel level sensor, its onboard diagnostics will record a P0461 code. What does the P0461 code mean? Diagnostic Trouble Code, DDC, P0461 indicates fuel level sensor circuit range RR performance. The fuel level sensor measures the amount of fuel in the fuel tank and sends its readings to the instrument panel and engine computer. Most fuel level sensors are usually mounted at the top of the fuel tank, although some models are located in the fuel pump assembly. Whatever its design, the sensor converts the mechanical fuel level into an electrical signal and sends it to the ECM or PCM. The computer uses the sensor readings to monitor the amount of fuel remaining in the tank, track fuel consumption and adjust engine performance for best fuel economy. The PCM checks the voltage of the electrical signals sent by the fuel level sensor. If the voltage does not match the correct operating voltage stored in the computer, onboard diagnostics will record a P0461 code. The computer also checks the voltage of the fuel level sensor signals when the driver first turns on the key. If it notices a difference in voltage, the PCM will set a fuel level sensor code. Note, the definition of the P0461 code may differ depending on the vehicle manufacturer. Check the correct repair manual or repair database for the exact code definition. What are the possible causes of code P0461? Worn-out or defective fuel pump, with integrated level sensor, powertrain control module, PCM, or engine control module, ECM, failure. Wiring problem. What are the common symptoms of code P0461? Inaccurate fuel gauge readings, including a decrease in perceived fuel consumption, decreased empty mileage, inaccurate fuel level displayed. On fuel gauge, a P0461 DDC is a generic trouble code that can be set in vehicles from different automakers. These vehicles may share apparently similar triggers and symptoms. However, the diagnostic and repair steps may differ between makes and models. A DDC P0461 is a generic trouble code that can be set in vehicles from different car manufacturers. If you're not sure whether you can perform diagnostic tests on your vehicle's fuel level sensor, it's a good idea to take it to a professional mechanic. Otherwise, you can go ahead and diagnose the problem yourself. Trying to fix a P0461 code can become a frustrating task if you don't have the tools and technical knowledge to test the fuel level sensor and its circuitry. In most cases, it's best to leave the job to the professionals. For DIY enthusiasts with advanced technical knowledge and practical experience who prefer to test and replace their vehicle's fuel level sensor themselves, consult the appropriate repair manual.